Good morning, everyone. So last class में we started divisibility rule. Before that, what we discussed? 2-digit, 3-digit numbers. What is cyclicity? Cyclicity will come in subtopic of this unit digits. After this divisibility rule, we'll start unit digits. In that cyclicity will come. So divisibility rule में 2 का divisibility rule, 4, 3, 5, 6 का divisibility rule भी डिस्कस करा था हमने, 8, 9 का, 10, 11, 11 नहीं करा है, 7 and 11 and 13. So 7 का divisibility rule come in this combined divisibility rule. Then 100 का divisibility rule, ये भी डिस्कस करा था. If I write a number this way, 9, 9, 9, 9, 99 times, is this number divisible by 4? So we have a very big number. Divisibility rule of 4, if we apply, what is it? Last. So last 2 digits will be 9, 9 only. We'll try to divide by 4. It is not divisible. We'll say that this number is also not divisible by 4. If I write 99 terms, 99 terms इसमें रहेंगे. Or till, if I write this way only, 99. Is this number divisible by 8? Why no? So last 3 digits will be here. तो लास्ट 3 डिजिट्स क्या हो जाएंगे यहाँ पे? 899. So we can see here कि 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, this way it is proceeding. So last 3 digits, 99 के पहले 98, then 99. So last 3 digits will take 899. 899 को will divide by 8. If it is divisible, then yes. If not, then this number is also not divisible by 8. यहाँ पे क्या आ रहा है? This number is not divisible by 8. Then we can see divisibility rule of 11. टू के पावर 38 एंड 3 के पावर 20, विच इज द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर. अच्छा अभी फिर से कर लेंगे, वो तो अभी आएगा. स्मॉलेस्ट एंड बिगेस्ट नंबर, दैट टॉपिक विल कम अगेन. What is divisibility rule of 11 other than that combined divisibility rule? Suppose we are having a number this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is a number. We need to check this number is divisible by 11 or not. What we can do? First step में we take the sum of alternate digits. Like if we take 9, 7, 5, 3, 1. What sum we are getting here? Plus 7, plus 5, plus 3, plus 1. 25? 25? Second step में we take sum of remaining digits. What sum we are getting here? Remaining digits are this: 8, 6, 4, 2. What sum we are getting? Plus 6, plus 4, plus 2. 20. Third step में we take the difference of these two sums. Suppose this is sum 1, this is sum 2. Then fourth step में what we do? If this difference is 0 or it is multiple of 11, then only we can say that the number is divisible by 11. So 3-4 steps we need to do, then only we can get the answer of this question ki this number is divisible by 11 or not. What is happening here? 25 minus 20. What we are getting? 5. 5 is neither 0 nor multiple of 11. That means this number is not divisible by 11. So this way we can proceed for 11 का divisibility rule. Correct? We can write one question on this divisibility rule. A number, ये लिख लिया सबने? लिख लो एक बार. Yes? अच्छा. Done? क्वेश्चन लिखते हैं. A number 4A357 a number 4A357 4928 4928 is divisible by 11. Is divisible by 11. Find the value of E. find the value of E. Can we get answer with the help of these steps? 2 आ रहा है. Everyone 2? So we can proceed with the same steps. First step में we can calculate what is sum 1. 8, 9, 7, 3, 4. This sum is 31 की 33. 31 आ रहा है पक्का. Then we can calculate sum 2. So we are having remaining digits A plus 5 plus 4 plus 2. कितना आया? 11 plus A. 11 plus A. Third step में we can calculate what is the difference. 31 minus 11 minus E. What we are getting? 20 minus E. Fourth step में we need to check कि this 20 minus A, this difference is equal to 0 or multiple of 11. है ना? If the first thing we take कि 20 minus A is equal to 0, what value of A we are getting? 20. But this cannot be our answer because A is a single digit. After then what we can do? 20 minus A we can take it is 11. ले सकते हैं, पहला यही लेंगे. Then what will be the value of A? 9. If we take 22, 20 minus A is equal to 22. Then A की value minus 2. We cannot take this. This is our answer. A is equal to 9. A is equal to 9. निकल सकता है ऐसे आंसर. A is equal to 9. The value of A is 9. Answer is 9. Option में if it is given 2, then that is also not our answer. क्योंकि A की value is coming minus 2. Digits cannot take negative values. It will take positive value 0 to 9 only. Correct? Option में अगर 2 भी है, we'll mark it 9. Only one answer we are getting for A. That is 9. 2 रहेगा तो कैसे? It is A की value, it is coming minus 2, not 2. कहाँ पे? तब यहां पे क्या आ रहा है? 20 minus 2. It is coming 18. नहीं होगा ना? आंसर इज कमिंग 9. इसीलिए ये सेट करा गया था नंबर. इफ द डिजिट्स आर डिफरेंट, 20 माइनस ए समझ में नहीं आया. सी हमने स्टेप्स लिखे थे ना 4. वी हैव रिटन 4 स्टेप्स. to check for the divisibility of 11. First step में we are going to calculate sum of the alternate digits. Second step में we are going to take the sum of the remaining digits. Then we are going to get the difference of these sums. Difference of these sums is coming as 20 minus a. Then fourth step में we are going to check कि this difference which is coming 20 minus a here is equal to 0 or multiple of 11. If this happens, if this difference is coming 0 or if this difference is coming multiple of 11, then only we can say that this number is divisible by 11. And in the question it is given that this number is divisible by 11. So this 20 minus a, this difference must be equal to 0 or multiple of 11s. कोई एक condition को fulfill करेगा. So what we did, we have taken the first condition कि suppose if we take कि 20 minus a is equal to 0, तो 20 minus a is equal to 0 करा हमने. What value of a we are getting? A की value we are getting 20 and a is what? A digit. A digit can take value 0, 1, 2 till 9 only. A की value cannot be more than 9. So this value cannot be our answer. A is equal to 20. Then we'll check for second possibility कि maybe this 20 minus a, this difference is equal to 11. We can check for the second possibility. If 20 minus a is equal to 11, we are taking a key value we are getting 9. That means this can be our answer. This can be our answer. Then we can check for further also कि 22 पे are we getting any other number? So 20 minus a, this difference is equal to 22. So a key value we are getting -2. Digit, a is a digit, can take values from 0 to 9 only. It cannot take negative values. So we'll discard it. We'll say कि a is equal to 9 is our answer. Yes, a should be a single digit only. Yes, correct. So this way we are getting this answer 9. Someone minus, which one is bigger? Which one is bigger? We can take that. है ना, वो मॉड्यूलर वैल्यू होती है, वहां पे नहीं जाना है. बस ये समझना है कि this someone minus some two, some difference we are getting, value which is not negative. Correct. 0 भी आ सकती है. When it is coming 0, that means 11 से divisible है. Correct. So 2 will not be answer. Answer will be 9. Answer will be 9. ठीक है ये. इलेवन पे नहीं निकाला था आप लोगों ने, सीधे 22 पे निकाला था. After this, we can understand कि how we can calculate remainders. Seventeen को if we divide by 8, this 17 को what we say? Dividend. This 8 को what we say? This 2 को what we say? Quotient. 1 को remainder. That means this number 17 is equal to, how we can write? 8 into 2 plus 1. This way we get number. इस पे भी यूपीएससी क्वेश्चन पूछ देती है. तो रिमाइंडर्स के सम रूल्स आर देयर. सेवन का भी एक करवा दीजिए. 7 का भी करवाएंगे अभी. 7, 11, 13 का कंबाइंड डिविजिबिलिटी रूल we'll do. We make 3 का pairs, then we take the difference same way. जैसे 11 का करा था, the same way we follow the steps. If I write 5 plus 7, if I divide by 4, what will be the remainder? So what we did, 7 plus 5, 12, 12 को 4 से divide करा, we are getting remainder 0. But if I take this 5 को 4 से divide करा, we are dividing 5 by 4. What remainder we are getting? 7 को if I divide by 4, what remainder we are getting? 3. So final remainder will be this way. 3 plus 1, 4. But 4 cannot be remainder. Any number को if we divide by 4, we can get remainder as 1, 2 or 3. इसके अलावा तो कोई possibility नहीं है. But here if we are getting 4, तो 4 को again will divide by 4. The final remainder will be 0. If I take another example, 5 plus 8. If I divide by 3, 5 को 3 से divide करा, what remainder we are getting? 2. 8 को 3 से करा, what remainder we are getting? 2. Final remainder will be, यहाँ पे आ रहा है 4, but 4 cannot be the possibility. Will divide by 3. What remainder we are getting? 1. So remainders are added. अब ये बोल रहे हो कि इसमें तो कोई एप्लीकेशन है ही नहीं, इसमें तो सीधे ऐड करके वी कैन गेट रिमाइंडर्स. बट इफ वी आर गेटिंग so many terms, then we can apply this concept. If I write this way, 10 plus 10 square plus 10 cube divided by 6, what will be the remainder here? We can take each term or we can write ki what resultant number we are getting, usko we can divide by 6. We'll see ki what remainder we are getting. That will be our answer. If we take the first term, 10 को 6 से divide करा, remainder is 4. 10 square को 6 से divide करा, what remainder we are getting? Again 4. 10 cube को 4. So remainder will be coming this way, 4 plus 4 plus 4. That is 12. But 12 cannot be remainder. Why? Because we are dividing by 6. So remainder must be less than 6. So next step में, this remainder को we are going to divide by 6. Remainder is 0. Yes. This is the question. 10 plus 10 square plus 10 cube. We are dividing this by 6. The question is, what remainder we can get? So we took first term, divided by 6. What remainder we are getting? 4. 10 square को we are dividing by 6. 100 को 6 से divide कर रहे हैं. We are getting remainder 4. 10 cube, 1000 को we are dividing by 6. What we are getting? Remainder 4. Then the final remainder will be, remainders will get added. 4 plus 4 plus 4. 12. But 12 cannot be our answer because we are dividing by 6. So this 12 ko we need to divide by 6 to get the final remainder. So final remainder is coming as 0. ठीक है? If I ask, if we divide by 6, what will be the remainder? Pakka? Zero? How? If I make it 100, तब भी 101. So basically what we are going to do, suppose this was the first question, 99, 4, remainder 4, everywhere remainder is going to come 4 4 only. So final remainder, remainders will get added 4 plus 4 plus 4, how many times? 99 times. That means 4 into 99. But this cannot be a remainder. We need to divide by 6. तो ये पूरा कट जा रहा है. We are getting remainder 0. We are getting remainder 0. So this way we need to check. Now check for 10 के पार 101. तब भी क्या आ जाएगा? 101 है तो 101 into 4 divided by 6. उसमें आ रहा है रिमाइंडर, है ना? सो दैट इज वाई वी नीड टू चेक. ये चेक करना है. फाइनल रिमाइंडर विल बी दिस वे. सो इफ so many terms are there and plus sign is there, we can say कि remainders get added. And after then we need to check, are we getting remainder less than this number जिससे divide कर रहे हैं? Then it is okay. If we are getting more than that number, we'll divide by that number again. The same rule applies with multiplication also. If I write 5 into 7 divided by 4, what remainder we are getting? 3. If we take each term, 5 को we divide by 4, remainder is 1. 7 को if we divide by 4, remainder is, final remainder will be multiplied here 3, है ना? 8 into 9 divided by 5, what remainder we are going to get? 8 को if we divide by 5, what remainder we are getting? 3. 9 को 5 से 4. Final remainder will be 4 into 3, 12. But 12 is more than 5. That means we need to divide by 5 again. So remainder is 2. Remainder is 2. ठीक है? जीरो कैसे आया था लास्ट क्वेश्चन में? जो सम आया था, व्हाट सम वी हैड कैलकुलेटेड इन द प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन. दिस सम इज कमिंग 4 plus 4 plus 4 99 times. 4 into 99. 4 into 99 को we divide by 6, तो ये कैंसिल आउट हो जा रहा है. 2 से जा रहा है, देन 3 से जा रहा है. दैट मीन्स वी आर गेटिंग रिमाइंडर 0. यहां भी ऐसे कर सकते हैं. 4 को 6 से डिवाइड करा, व्हाट रिमाइंडर वी आर गेटिंग? नेगेटिव रिमाइंडर नहीं. 4 को इफ आई डिवाइड बाई 6, रिमाइंडर इज 4. यहां पे रिमाइंडर आ रहा है 4. 99 को इफ आई डिवाइड बाई 6, व्हाट रिमाइंडर वी आर गेटिंग? 3. This is multiplication. So final remainder will be 4 into 3, 12. But 12 is again more than 6. 6 से divide करा, we are getting remainder 0. इसको भी पूरा multiply करने की जरूरत नहीं है. We can get answer. तो दोनों समझ में आया कि Remainders get added, remainders get multiplied. ऐसा कहीं भी आएगा तो we can apply these concepts. Then we can go for these divisibility rules. अभी हमने पढ़ा है सारा. उससे we can see कि how we can calculate remainders. Like if I ask a number 1, 2, 5, 7, 8, 9. If we divide this number by 2, what will be the remainder? So 2 के case में it is very clear. If that number is not divisible by 2, what remainder we are going to get? Only one possibility, that is 1. If we apply divisibility rule also, the last digit must be divisible by 2. We can take last digit, usko we can divide by 2. What remainder we are getting here? 1. That means 1 is our answer. 1 is our answer. If we take divisibility rule of 4, suppose the same number 1, 2, 5, 7, 8, 9. If we divide by 4, what remainder we are going to get? So divisibility rule क्या बोलता है कि last two digits must be divisible by 4. 4 से divide करा, what remainder we are getting? 1. The same remainder we are going to get if we divide this number by 4. This number by 4. Eight का divisibility rule से how we can calculate remainders? What remainder we are going to get? So last 3 digits 7, 8, 9 divided by 8. What remainder we are getting? That will be the answer for this question. If this number is divided by 8, this remainder we are going to get. So just by applying the divisibility rule, we can get remainders also. कितना आ रहा है? 5 आ रहा है. Then we can check for divisibility rule of 5. If I write a number 1, 2, 5, 7, 8. If I divide by 5, what remainder we are going to get? So 5 का divisibility rule, what does it say? Unit digit is 0 or 5. So what we can do? We can take last digit, 5 से divide करा. What remainder we are getting? 3. If I write 1, 2, 5, 7, 2 divided by 5, what remainder we are going to get? 2 को we can divide by 5. What remainder we are going to get? 2. 2 will be our answer. So just by applying the divisibility rule, we can get the idea कि what remainder we can get. Then divisibility rule of 3 say how we can get remainders? 8. If we divide by 3, what remainder we are going to get? So what does it say? Divisibility rule of 3. Sum of digits must be divisible by 3. So we can take the sum. 2 plus 1, 3, 3, 5, 7, 8. 8 को 3 से डिवाइड करा, what remainder we are getting? 2. तो जो भी सम आ रहा है उस सम को we can divide by 3. और रिमाइंडर्स की पॉसिबिलिटी क्या है? It can come 1 or 2. Only 2 possibility for 3. The same way we can apply the same logic for 9, 3, 5, 7, 8. If we divide by 9, what remainder we are going to get? 8 आ रहा है. So we are going to take the sum of these digits, then we'll divide by 9. Whatever the remainder we are getting, we can say कि यही होगा remainder if we divide this number by 9. ठीक है? ठीक है, 8 आ रहा है रिमाइंडर 8। 6 के केस में वी कैन नॉट अप्लाई दिस लॉजिक। 6 के केस में वी कैन नॉट अप्लाई दिस लॉजिक बिकॉज 6 इज द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ 2 and 3, तो ये लॉजिक नहीं लगेगा वहां पे। इफ वी टेक अ नंबर 1 2 5 7 9, if I divide this number by 10, what will be the remainder? So 10 का divisibility rule कि unit digit if it is 0 then it is divisible by 10. If it is not 0 then whatever the digit is coming at unit place that will be a remainder. So remainder will be 9. The same way if we go for 100 का divisibility rule, divide by 100, what will be the remainder? So 100 का divisibility rule, last 2 digits must be 0. If it is not, whatever the digits we are getting at these two places, that will become our remainder. That will become our remainder. So basic concept, ठीक है? If I write a question this way, divided by 100, what will be the remainder? What will be the remainder here? कैसे? So unit place पे it is coming 0, but 100 का divisibility rule is 2 zeros. Then what answer भी इसमें ऑप्शन भी दे दूं क्या? Just a second, let me check. 0 1 2 4 options. Why it is 0? We do know about number of zeros. 90 आ रहा है? कैसे 90 आ रहा है? See how we can get zeros at the end. 5 and 2 का pair. 85 में 1 5, 95 में 1 5, 2 5s are there. And how many 2s are there? 96 में how many 2s? More than 2? More than 2 2s are there in 96. 96 के factors if we take, है ना? That means we have this idea कि in this number का product में 2 zeros will be there at the end. That is for sure. If we divide by 100, what remainder we are going to get? 0. Yes, we get 2 zeros in the end. That is why the remainder will be 0. The remainder will be 0. तो अब जो क्वेश्चंस आएंगे previous concepts will get applied. ठीक है, what we did, we just found out कि how many zeros are there at the end, because 100 का divisibility rule, last 2 digits must be 0. So we'll try to find out is it there? Last two digits are 0, 0. If it is, then we can say कि remainder will be 0. That means this number is completely divisible by 100. ठीक है, लिख लिया सबने? The same way another question. 51 into 27 into 35, 62 into 75. Divided by 100. Zero. अभी रिपीट करता हूं मैं फिर से. Options are this way. So this is a UPSC previous year question. So what does it? अच्छा repeat करना है? मैं repeat करता हूँ अभी फिर से पुराना वाला भी this one. 51 into 27 into 35 into 62 into 75. So we can see ki how many zeros are there at the end. 100 से they are asking to divide. So we can check 5 is coming twice and 2 is coming once. That means for sure we know ki 1 0 is there at the end. If we divide by 100, what remainder we are going to get? This number and 0. ये होगा हमारा आंसर. We don't know कि what is there at this place. We'll check with the options. Only one option. जहाँ पे unit place पे we are getting 0. आंसर आ जाएगा. Sorry. If we multiply unit place digits, then we'll get the idea for unit place only. We cannot have idea about the 10th place. इसमें आ रहा है ऐसा, लेकिन वो होता नहीं है. Because if we multiply unit place digit like 1, 7, 5, 2, 5, so you are saying it is coming 50. हाँ? Unit place पे तो 0 आएगा, that is for sure. We are looking कि यार 2 zeros तो आ रहा है क्या? How many zeros are there? That way also we can get. 5 and 2 के pair से भी we can get. Unit place digits if we are multiplying, उसमें 2 digits we are getting this way, 5 and 2. So we are for sure. एक से ज्यादा जीरो हो तब भी लगा सकते हैं. उसके लिए we need to understand another concept. Yes. This is the product. We are dividing by 100. What is 100 का divisibility rule? Last two digits must be 0. If it is not 0, that means whatever the digits we are getting at unit place and 10th place, that will become a remainder. यही होगा. In this case, we can see कि how many zeros are there at the end. ये निकाल सकते हैं कि how many zeros are there at the end of this product. We can see कि 5 we are getting twice, but number of 2's are 1. So we can say only 1 0 is there at the end. Only 1 0 is there at the end. But we don't know कि what digit is here at the 10th place. What digit is there at 100th place. We don't know, we don't have any idea. But if we divide by 100, what remainder we are going to get? Last two digits. Last two digits में one unit digit is sure, that is 0. This 10th place wala we don't know. If we check with the options, where we can find 0 at unit place, only this option. That means this is our correct answer. This is our correct answer. How only 2? 2 we are getting at 62 पे. 62 को we can write 31 into 2. That means 1 2 we are getting at 62. और कहीं पे तो 2 मिल नहीं रहा है ना? Total 3 zeros? नहीं, total 1 0 we are getting here. है ना? Suppose if in this question, अच्छा इसके पहले previous question क्या था? Same idea था. इसमें this number is getting divided by 100. We are asked कि what will be the remainder. If this number is divided by 100, what will be the remainder? We have discussed कि if any number is written this way, if we divide by 100, what will be the remainder? Last 2 digits. अब यहाँ पे 0 0 है, that means this number is completely divisible by 100. Completely divisible का मतलब ये है कि we are getting remainder 0. तो in this case, we want to check कि are we getting any 0 at the end? How many zeros we are getting at the end? So for that, we can apply number of zeros wala concept. We'll try to check for how many 5s are there and how many 2s are there. So if we check 5, we are getting 2. 2 5s we are getting. And number of 2s, 96 में more than 2 we are getting. 96 को 48 into 2. Then 2 into 24 into 2. 2 into 2 into 12. So many 2s we are getting. That means 2 से तो ज़्यादा ही है. Number of 5s कितने हैं? In this case, number of 5s 2. Number of 2s? Number of 2s more than 2. How many pairs we can make 5 and 2 का? 2 pairs. If 2 pairs we can make, so the resultant number may how many zeros will be there? 2 zeros. If we divide by 100, what remainder we are going to get? 0. क्योंकि last 2 digits 0. ठीक है? If I write one example to understand, we want to understand कि अगर option में, in this case, option में you are saying कि 50, 40, 30, this way if it is written, then what we can do? तब क्या कर सकते हैं? For that we need to write some examples, like if I write 9 into 12 divided by 8, what remainder we are going to get? 1 and यहाँ पे 4. Final remainder will be 4. वैसे भी करके देख सकते हैं multiply करके. We are getting remainder 4. But if we simplify this, what we are getting now after simplification? Divided by 2. Here what remainder we are getting? What remainder? 1. So if this is the question, if we divide 9 into 12 को 8 से, what remainder we are going to get? if we simplify, after simplification, if we see what remainder we are getting, that cannot be the correct answer. So correct answer will be 1 में we need to multiply by 2 में जितने से multiply करेंगे so that we can get 8, क्योंकि remainder 8 से divide करके लाना है. Here also we need to multiply by 4. Then only we can get final remainder. The same concept we can apply there. पहले ये समझ लो, इसमें थोड़ी सी दिक्कत आती है. So what is the question? 9 into 12 को we are dividing by 8. What will be the remainder? हमने क्या करा कि simplify कर दिया. We did simplification. 4 से कर दिया, divide कर दिया. 4 into 2 8, 4 into 3 12. What we are getting? 9 into 3 by 2. After simplification we are getting this. Here we are dividing by 2. What remainder we are getting? Why we are doing this simplification? Because so many terms are there. If we simplify and denominator में we are getting 2 और वो divide नहीं हो रहा है, only one possibility है कि remainder will be 1. यहाँ पे remainder निकालना आसान होगा. So here we are getting remainder 1. But 1 cannot be the answer because here we are dividing by 2. But question में पूछा है this number को we need to divide by 8. So what we can do in this remainder, we can multiply by some number. What will be that number? 2 में कितने number से multiply करें so that we can get that number 8 जिससे divide करना है 4. So here in this remainder also we need to multiply by 4. We can take any example. This will remain true. ठीक है. अब this concept we can apply in this question. ये है हमारा क्वेश्चन. इसको if we simplify, after simplification denominator में we are getting 2. Further we cannot simplify. That means 0 तो होगा नहीं remainder. If further we cannot simplify, that means what remainder we are going to get if we divide by 2? 1. 1 we are getting remainder when we are dividing by 2. But we need to divide by 100. किससे multiply करेंगे so that we can get 100? Here also we need to multiply by 50. Remainder will be 50. मुश्किल लग रहा है थोड़ा सा बस समझोगे आ जाएगा. बस these are basic observations about numbers कि कैसे we are getting remainders, how we are getting this divisibility rule. So these are basic observations. ठीक है. So what we did, once again I am repeating, we are asked to divide, फिर से मैं लिखता हूँ, 51 27 35, 51 27 35, 62 75. It is asked कि we divide it by 100. What will be the remainder? So it looks difficult. So what we can do, and we are getting only 1 0 at the end. So we cannot have any idea about the 10th digit. So we can simplify it. 25 से 4, then 31. Now this number is divided by 2. Further we cannot simplify. That means we are getting remainder 1 when we are dividing by 2. But question में it is asked कि we need to divide by 100. How we can get this 100? 2 में if we multiply 50 से. So final remainder में भी we need to multiply by 50. 50 will be our answer. 50 will be our answer. ठीक है. हाँ लिख लीजिए. because this is a previous year question, so they can ask this way कि now this year we have options like 50, 40, 30, 0, so we can apply this. सही बात है. तो प्रेशर में फिर मल्टीप्लिकेशन में भी गलतियां होती हैं. In case of 99, 10 के पार 99, it was coming 0. If we are taking 10 के पार 100, then कितना आ रहा था? 4 into 100 by 6. 400 by 6. तो 400 by 6 completely divisible है? No. We are getting some remainder. 101 है, तो 101 into 4, I mean 101 टर्म्स है, 102 टर्म्स है, तो उसको डिवाइड करके देख लो, उसमें आंसर क्या आया था? बिल्कुल 404 है by 6. If we are taking 102 टर्म्स, 408 by 6. अब यहां पे रिमाइंडर तो निकाल ही सकते हैं. यहां पे रिमाइंडर क्या आया? 4. हियर 404 by 6. 2 है ना. सो दिस मतलब ये तो हमने निकाल लिया, तो यहां पे तो वी कैन कैलकुलेट कि व्हाट रिमाइंडर्स वी कैन गेट. दिस इज फॉर दैट 6 का 6 से डिवाइड कर रहे थे, व्हाट रिमाइंडर वी आर गेटिंग. तो ये क्लियर है. r इज इक्वल टू 1 कैसे आया था? ये यहां पे 2 कर दिया था हमने, 2 कर दिया था. हाउ वी विल नो दैट दिस नंबर इज नॉट डिविजिबल बाई 2? अब देखो 51, 27, 35, 31, 3 है ना. अब वी कैन नॉट फर्दर सिंप्लीफाई बाई 2. 2 को हमने इससे डिवाइड करा, नहीं हो रहा है. इससे करा, नहीं हो रहा है. इससे भी नहीं हो रहा है. इससे भी नहीं हो रहा है. 3 से भी नहीं हो रहा है. एवरीवेयर वी आर गेटिंग सम रिमाइंडर, है ना. एवरीवेयर वी आर गेटिंग सम रिमाइंडर. एक एक करके भी देख लो. 51 को 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो क्या आएगा रिमाइंडर? 1 आएगा. यहां पे क्या आएगा? 1 आएगा. हियर ऑल्सो 1, हियर ऑल्सो 1, हियर ऑल्सो 1. फाइनल रिमाइंडर विल बी 1 इंटू 1 इंटू 1 इंटू 1. कितना आ जाएगा? 1. फाइनल रिमाइंडर इज 1. ठीक है. वन मोर क्वेश्चन वी कैन राइट, इसमें से देखते हैं. See this question. इसमें what answer we can get? For that we have this example. Shiv Pratap, if that 2 also divide any 2, then what will do? If that 2 is also simplified, that means we are going to get a remainder as 0. फिर कोई और possibility नहीं है. If that 2 is also simplified, उसको किसी से हमने divide कर दिया, जो भी remaining terms हैं, then we will say कि remainder is 0. और कुछ नहीं करना उसमें. What is the remainder? 1, 2, 6, 1. अब यहाँ पे तो we don't have 10, we don't have 100, we don't have 50. So what we can do, if this way question is asked, this 1, 2, 6, 1 ko will try to take the factors of it. What factor we can have? 1, 2, 6, 1. 13 into 97. So, but when we start taking factors, we start with like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 तक we stop कि बस हो गया, factors इसके निकलना मुश्किल है. But if this is like this way questions are coming, take 13, take 11, take 17, take 19. ये 4 numbers जरूर check करना है. हाँ? 37 also, 1001. So if we can write 13 into 97, फिर 13 into 97. This 97 से 97. क्या आ गया? रिमाइंडर कितना आ गया? 0. डिनोमिनेटर में 1 आ गया, तभी तो वी से कि रिमाइंडर इज 0. रिमाइंडर इज 0. ठीक है. ठीक है, चलो. नहीं, 11 भी तो है. 11 में 2 1 है ना. डिवाइजर के लिए वी डोंट हैव एनी सच रूल्स. थोड़ा सा डिविजिबिलिटी रूल के क्वेश्चंस देख लेते हैं. ये तो हमने अभी कराई है. यहां पे आएगा साइक्लिसिटी. सी दिस क्वेश्चन. 1 नहीं आया, आंसर था 0. आंसर था 0. 1 नहीं आएगा. वो 1 तो नीचे मैंने लिखा था डिनोमिनेटर में. आफ्टर सिंप्लीफाइंग एवरीथिंग, डिनोमिनेटर में वी आर गेटिंग 1. सारा सिंप्लीफाई हो गया, दैट मीन्स वी आर गेटिंग रिमाइंडर 0. Each digit of a 9-digit number is 1. It is multiplied by itself. What is the sum of the digits of the resulting number? क्यों? सब अपना वो करते हैं ना. एक होता है इंटेलिजेंट गेस, एक होता है तुक्का. इसमें नहीं आया तो आंख बंद करा, कुछ अपना मंत्र वंत्र पढ़ा या जो भी करना है, किसी का नाम लिया, उसका तीसरा चौथा लेटर. हाउ इट इज 81? Okay. Can we apply divisibility rules here? Can we apply divisibility rules? See, what is written here, each digit of a 9-digit number is 1. This is the number, 9 ones are there, and this number is multiplied by itself. Then it is asked, what is the sum of the digits of the resulting number? If I ask this, is this number divisible by 9? This number is divisible by 9. And this number? It is also divisible by 9. If I write this way, 45 is divisible by 9. And 63 is also divisible by 9. If I multiply these two numbers, can I say that the resulting product which we are getting will be divisible by 9? हो सकते हैं? That means if we multiply this number by this number, the resulting number will also be divisible by 9. होगा? If the resulting number is also divisible by 9, sum of digits must be divisible by 9 or not? We'll take the options. Which sum is divisible by 9? 81. है ना? है ना? ऐसे कर सकते हैं, बट फर्स्ट टाइम में ये सोचना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल होता है. Whenever question में sum of digits is coming, in any question, sum of digits they are asking, or sum of digits are there, we can think of 3 का divisibility rule, 9 का divisibility rule. इसके बारे में we need to think of. Why only divisible by 9? Because ये 3 से भी ले सकते हैं, 9 से भी ले सकते हैं. तो जो भी हमने कहा कि whenever sum of the digits is coming, in the question we'll try to go for 3 का divisibility rule and 9 का divisibility rule. तो पहले 9 का चेक करेंगे, then we'll go for 3 का divisibility rule. We can get answer. There is a possibility. ये समझ में आया ना क्या करा हमने? This multiplied by this is divisible by 9. This is also divisible by 9. So the resultant number which we are getting, that is also divisible by 9. Then resulting number में sum of the digits must be divisible by 9. So sum of digits कहाँ पे divisible by 9 है? Only this 81. ठीक है? See this question. किसको डिवाइड करने पे? अच्छा वो तो आएगा ही ना. That is divisibility rule of 9. What is the smallest number greater than 1000 that when divided by any one of the numbers 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 leaves a remainder of 3? How we are getting C? Huh? Option में we can see कि all the numbers are 4-digit number. It is written when divided by any one of the number 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. किसका divisibility rule we know? We know 9 का divisibility rule. That means the option will be correct if we divide that option by 9. We'll get a remainder. कितना है? 3 है? 3. We'll get a remainder 3. If we take option 1, 1063. If we divide by 9, what we are getting? Remainder Sum of digits 6 plus 3 9 plus 1 10 by 9 remainder we are getting 1. This cannot be our correct answer because we are getting remainder 1 here. Remainder कितना आना चाहिए था? 3 आना चाहिए था. Correct. Then 10673 को if we divide by 9, what remainder we are going to get? 2. This is also not our answer. 1083 को if we divide by 9, what remainder we are getting? 3. This can be our answer. We need to check for fourth also. 1183 को if we divide by 9, what remainder we are getting? कितना आ गया? 4. That means only one answer is there, that is option C. ठीक, ये हो जाएगा हमारा आंसर. इसमें we can apply the concept of LCMs also, है ना? Then also we can get answer, but the smart way is apply divisibility rule of 9 3 2 4 अगर दिया है क्वेश्चन में. LCM वाला भी करेंगे. We can take LCM of these numbers, then we'll try to see कि LCM जो आ रहा है उसके multiples will try to check. 120 के multiples and that number is near about 1000, more than just 1000. Correct? Then add 3. आ जाएगा आंसर. ये वाला करना है, एक दिन किया जाएगा इसको. 7 वाला अभी करते हैं. ये तो हमने करा ही था. This is also a previous year question, this way only. कि all the numbers are divisible by 2, all the numbers are divisible by 3. First conclusion. Second, all the numbers are divisible by 6, all the numbers are divisible by 4. This we have discussed, I guess. ये करा था discussion. See this question. A digit n greater than 3 is divisible by 3 but not divisible by 6. Which one of the following is divisible by 4? So we are going to apply here rule of rejection. Rule of rejection में क्या करते हैं? We reject most of the options. जो बचा उसी के साथ we go. लाइफ में भी ऐसा ही होता है. We are having 4 options. We want to go with one. So reject others. C option. How it came? What can be this n then? N can be 9, 15 also. Here it is written digit. It makes more simple. A digit n greater than 3. So digit can be 0 to 9 only. So n greater than 3, what is the possibility for us? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is divisible by 3, 6 and 9, but not divisible by 6. That means we are having n key value 9. Then it is said कि which one of the following is divisible by 4. N key value put 9 and see it is divisible by 4 or not. क्या पूछ रहा है? Divisible by. किससे हो रहा है ये? D से. ये सारे reject कर दिए. We are getting only one option that is correct, that is D. ठीक है, simple है question, है ना? इसी में they can ask this way कि a digit n greater than 2, is divisible by 4 but not divisible by 5 or 6. This way they can ask. कुछ नहीं करना है, simply n की value will get and we can get answer. मिल जाएगा. See this? What is the least 4-digit number when divided by 3, 4, 5 and 6? Leaves a remainder of 2 in each case. सारा चेक कर लिया था? So we have 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we can get remainders by applying 3 का divisibility rule, 4 का, 5 का but not 6 का. So which divisibility rule we are going to apply? क्या आना चाहिए रिमाइंडर? 2. अगर 5 का लगाएंगे तो एवरीवेयर वी आर गेटिंग रिमाइंडर 2. 4 का 2 places पे we are getting. So we can apply 3 का divisibility rule. If we divide by 3 this number, what remainder we are going to get? 1. If we divide by 3, what remainder we are getting? 2. Here, what remainder we are getting? 0. Divide by 3. 1. So what answer will be? B. B हो जाएगा आंसर, है ना? आंसर विल बी B. ठीक है, लिख लिया सबने? इसमें what is given? What is the least 4-digit number when divided by 3, 4, 5 and 6 leaves a remainder of 2 in each case, है ना? What is that number? These numbers are in front of us. 4 में से कोई एक नंबर होगा, that is when divided by 3, 4, 5 and 6, in each case it leaves a remainder 2, है ना? So if we take option 1, if it is the answer, then if we divide this number by 3, 4, 5 and 6, it will leave remainder 2. So we can apply 3 का divisibility rule. First 3 और 9 का ही apply करते हैं इसमें. Mostly in these cases, answer we can get. If we divide by 3, 1, 0, 1, 2 को, what remainder we are going to get? 3 का divisibility rule, sum of the digits. If we divide by 3, 2 plus 1 plus 1, 4. 4 को if we divide by 3, what remainder will get? 1. यहां पे रिमाइंडर 1 आ रहा है, 1, 0, 1, 2. सो दिस कैन नॉट बी आवर आंसर. वाई? अगर ये नंबर है, दिस इज ऑल्सो 4-digit नंबर. इफ इट इज डिवाइडेड बाई 3, रिमाइंडर कितना आना चाहिए? 2. दैट इज वाई इट कैन नॉट बी आवर आंसर. विल टेक 1, 0, 2, 2. If this is the number, if we divide by 3, remainder must come 2. 2 plus 2 plus 1, 5. 5 को if we divide by 3, what remainder we are going to get? 2. This is a possibility कि this can be our correct answer. But we need to check these two also. इसमें सारे ही चेक करना है. 1, 1, 2, 2 को divide by 3 कर रहे हैं, what remainder we are getting? 0. Here 3 से divide कर रहे हैं, we are getting remainder 1. So only one possibility we have, 1, 0, 2, 2. एक्चुअल डिवीजन करके भी देख सकते हैं. हाँ बिल्कुल देख सकते हैं, वो तो है ही ऑप्शन, वो तो है ही ऑप्शन. ठीक है, दिस वी हैव ऑलरेडी डन. दिस इज ऑल्सो डन. This we can solve. A number 136 is added to 5b7 and the sum obtained is 7a3, where a and b are integers. It is given that 7a3 is exactly divisible by 3. So we have 2-digit and 3-digit number wala bhi concept and divisibility rule wala bhi concept. Both the concepts are mixed here. It is given the only possible value of these. Why not 6 से divide? 6 से divide करके we cannot get remainders, because 6 का divisibility rule is that कि it must be divisible by 2, it must be divisible by 3. Two divisibility rules का combination है. That is why 6 के divisibility rule से we cannot get remainders. B is equal to 5, A is equal to 2, 8, अच्छा, D is equal to 8. How it is coming? So first, 7a3 is exactly divisible by 3. We can have this idea ki what are the possible values of A. With the help of possible values of A, we can calculate ki what can be the possible values of B. ये कर सकते हैं. Like 7a3 is exactly divisible by 3. So sum of the digits 10 plus A must be divisible by 3. What can be the possible values of A? 2, then 5, 8. 3 possible values are there, है ना? That is 2, 5 and 8. Then it is given कि 136 is added to 5b7. We are getting 7a3. So we can write this way also कि 7a3 में से if we subtract 136, we are going to get 5b7 or not? क्योंकि b की value we need to calculate. So we have written here. After this operation, we are getting 5b7. A की value if we put 2, क्या हो जाएगा? 7, 2, 3, 1, 3, 6. ये क्या आ रहा है? 7. ये कितना आ रहा है? 8. ये कितना आया? Only possible value 5, 8, 7, 5b7. That means b की value is 8. b की value is 8. Only possible value. If we put a की value 5, see what b की value we are getting. करके देखते हैं. This is clear? इतना तक तो clear है? Only possible value they are asking 5, 8, 7 है. Here it is written 5b7. That means b की value is 8. b की value is 8. If we write a की value 5, then a की value 5, ये कितना हो गया? 7. Here 5 के place पे we are getting 6. This is not in the form of 5b7. So b की value यहाँ पे नहीं आ रही है. Only one possible value we are getting, that is b की value 8 पे. ठीक है? ठीक है, तो अभी ब्रेक लेते हैं, फिर उसके बाद और भी क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करते हैं. ओके, सो कैन वी स्टार्ट? अभी तक कोई डाउट? एनी डाउट फ्रॉम द प्रीवियस क्वेश्चंस? 7 डिविजिबिलिटी रूल, हाँ बस इसके बाद ही है. See this question. This type of question we have done earlier. Let x be a 2-digit number and y be another 2-digit number formed by interchanging the digits of x. If x plus y is the greatest 2-digit number, then what is the number of possible values of x? B. So we can calculate place values. A, B, B, A. Then here it is written sum. This sum key value is greatest 2-digit number. What is greatest 2-digit number? 99. D आ रहा है. So we can take 2-digit number. We can reverse the digits. This is x key value. This is y key value. This is 10 A plus B. This is 10 B plus A. If we take the sum of these two numbers, what we are getting? 10 A plus A, 11 A plus, this we are getting sum. This sum is equal to the greatest 2-digit number, that is 99. So A plus B key value 9. A plus B key value we are getting 9. So what will be the possibility for A and B? A and B are digits. They can take values 0 to 9. A key value we cannot take 0 because x is a 2-digit number. If x key value, A key value I take 1, B key value 8, 2, 7, 3, 6, 4, 5, 5, 4, 6, 3, 7, 2, 8, 1. After then if I take 9, तो B की value will be 0. And ये ले सकते हैं. So what numbers? पूछ रहा है कि how many, what is the number of possible values of x? That means AB. That means we are getting number 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81. So these are the 2-digit numbers. यहाँ पूछ रहा है y be another 2-digit number. We cannot take this. 09 is not a 2-digit number. So total 8. Total 8. So this type of question we have done. This way only they can ask questions. कुछ इधर उधर करके देंगे. Basically we need to find out what will be the possible values of A and B. We know कि 0 से 9 तक ही possibility है. We can get answer. Sorry? When we are, this is x key value. This is x. Y will be reversing the digits 81. Then 72. ये y की वैल्यूज आ जाएंगी. ठीक है. अब यहां पे क्या हो रहा है? यू आर सेइंग कि हम 16 ऐसा नंबर पा रहे हैं, ऐसा बोल रहे हो? हाँ, 4 के बाद रिपीट कैसे कर रहा है? x की वैल्यूज पूछ रहा है, सिर्फ x की। x की वी हैव रिटन वैल्यूज लाइक 18, 27, 36, 45, 54। एनी नंबर इज रिपीटिंग हियर? कोई नंबर तो रिपीट नहीं कर रहा है, तो y का तो पूछ ही नहीं रहा है। इट इज आस्क्ड अबाउट पॉसिबल वैल्यूज ऑफ x। y का तो पूछ ही नहीं रहा है, पूछ रहा है x। x क्या है हमारा? ab। x वी हैव अज्यूम्ड कि इट इज ab, तो दीज आर x की वैल्यूज। हाउ मेनी वैल्यूज? 8 वैल्यूज। कहां पे कंफ्यूज, मैं समझ नहीं पाया कि कैसा कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है। So we are getting 8 pairs. हाँ, x और y की वैल्यू तो सेम ही होगी ना। यहां से जैसे ये जो 18 है, 18, यहां से 81 आ रहा है, वैल्यूज तो दोनों की सेम ही आएगी। यहां उल्टा चलेगा, 81, 72, 63, 63, 81, 72, 63, 54, 45, दिस वे इट विल गो। वैल्यूज तो सेम ही रहेंगी, इट विल बी इन डिफरेंट ऑर्डर। क्वेश्चन क्या पूछ रहा है? व्हाट इज द नंबर ऑफ पॉसिबल वैल्यूज ऑफ x? x क्या हमने सपोज करा? ab। ab, a प्लस b में वन रिलेशन, a एंड b में वन रिलेशन वी हैव गॉट, दैट इज कि सम मस्ट बी 9। व्हाट कैन बी a एंड b की पॉसिबल वैल्यूज हियर? 1827। इतना तक तो क्लियर है। आफ्टर देन वी कैन हैव दिस आइडिया कि हाउ मेनी पॉसिबल वैल्यूज x कैन टेक। कितनी वैल्यूज x ले सकता है? 18 ले सकता है, 27, 36 टिल 81। अब 8 such numbers it can take. 8 is the number of possibility for x. पूछ रहा है कितने पेयर्स बन रहे हैं? 8 पेयर्स बन रहे हैं। ठीक है? नहीं, ऐसे ही पूछ रहा है, सिर्फ एक्स वाई कुछ नहीं पूछ रहा है। दे आर आस्किंग कि हाउ मेनी पेयर्स वी आर मेकिंग। ठीक है, इसीलिए स्पेसिफिकली दे हैव आस्क्ड कि हाउ मेनी वैल्यूज, हाउ मेनी पॉसिबल वैल्यूज ऑफ एक्स आर। ऐसा ही क्वेश्चन हमने पीछे भी करा था। A and B में we were getting some relations. In one question it is asked how many pairs. In one question it is asked how many numbers we can make. But यहाँ पे specifically they have asked for the first number, which is जिसको हम reverse करके another number we are getting. तो first number के बारे में पूछ रहा है सिर्फ. So we'll get answer as 8. ठीक है? Then we can see combined divisibility. For 7, 11 and 13. For 7, 11 and 13. Suppose we are having a number this way, 485, 485. What we do for combined divisibility rule, first step में we make pairs of 3 digits like this way, 485, 485. 3 digits का we have made pairs. Then we take the difference. We take the difference. यहां पे difference निकाला, it is coming 0. If we are having more numbers, 3 का pair, here also we need to make difference. Everywhere we are going to calculate differences. Then we can take the sum of the differences. Like sum of the differences, here it is coming 0 plus 0 it is 0. Then we check कि this sum of difference, if it is coming 0, then we can say कि number is divisible by 7, 11 and 13. If this difference is coming 7 का multiple or 7k I can write, then that number is divisible by 7. If this sum of difference is multiple of 11, we can say the number is divisible by 11. If this sum of difference is coming 13 ka multiple, we can say that number is divisible by 13. This is the combined divisibility of 7, 11 and 13. Take any number, like if I take 7, 8, 5, 7, 8, 5, 5. Is this number divisible by 7, 11, 13 or 7 or 11 or 13? We are going to make pairs. अब यहां पे कैसे पेयर बनेगा? We'll put 0, है ना? जहां पे 3 3 का पेयर ना बन पाए, put zeros. इधर 0 रख सकते हो, इस साइड नहीं. That will change the number. Then we'll take the difference. We'll take the difference. जो भी difference आएगा, उसका sum we are going to take. Then we'll try to see, is this coming 0 or multiple of 7 or multiple of 13 or multiple of 11. Correct? अच्छा, कुछ नेटवर्क में प्रॉब्लम आ गई. Combined divisibility. I am repeating it again. See here. If any number is given and it is asked is this number divisible by 7, 11 or 13, or if they ask what remainder we can get if we divide by 7, 11 or 13, then we can apply this combined divisibility rule. What we do, the first step may we make pairs of 3 digits. 3 digits, 3 digits, 3 digits, 3 digits. This way we are going to make pair. Then second step may we are going to take the difference. These two pairs ka difference what we are getting. Like here it is coming 0, here also it is coming 0. Then we are going to take the sum of these differences. 0 plus 0 or 7 plus 0. We are going to take the difference, sum of the difference. If this sum of the difference is coming 0, then we can say that this number is divisible by 7, 11 and 13. If this difference की value is coming in terms of 7 का multiples, 7 के multiple में 7, 14, 21, this way this difference is coming, then we can say that this number is divisible by 7. If this sum of difference is coming 11 का multiple, 11, 22, 33, this way, we can say that this number is divisible by 11. If this sum of difference is coming 13 का multiple, then we can say that this number is divisible by 13. Correct? This is combined divisibility rule for 7, 11, 13. Then we have different forms, like if a number is written in this form ABC, ABC, then this number will be divisible by what numbers? How we can get that? We can write some values here. Like if I take a number 285, 285, This is in the form of ABC, ABC. ABC are digits I have taken here. Correct? Combined. अभी तो सही हो गया ना? What is 5-digit number? Then how to make pairs? If 5-digit number is there, like 2, 8, 5, 8, 5, 3. यहाँ पे तो 2 है. We'll put 0. 3 digits, 3 digits. We'll take the difference. Left hand side में we can put as many zeros as we want. ठीक है, तो यहां से ऐसे डिफरेंस निकाल लेंगे. ठीक है, और 0 पुट कर दो. कितना भी 0 पुट करो, 3 3 का पेयर हमें चाहिए. सपोज दिस इज द नंबर. कैन वी राइट दिस नंबर दिस वे? 1 2 3 प्लस 285. कैन वी राइट दिस वे? है ना? If I take 285 common, then plus 1 we can write. Then this is 285 into 1001. 1001. अभी भी लैग चल रहा है कि it is going fine? अच्छा, तो ABC में 285 के प्लेस पे we can put any number. 123, 132, 432. This way any number we can put. So what we can see, this is for ABC, ABC. That means this number is always divisible by 1001. This number is always divisible by 1001 or not? क्योंकि जो भी नंबर लो, यहाँ पे 285 की जगह पे आई राइट 123, तो 123 इंटू 1001, 325 इंटू 1001. दिस वे एवरी टाइम विल कम. दिस इज वन ऑब्जर्वेशन. अब इसको जनरलाइज करेंगे. सो वी कैन से कि दिस नंबर, इफ इट इज रिटन इन ABC फॉर्म, this is completely divisible by 1001, or the factors of this 7, 11, 13. So 1001 is divisible by 7, 11, 13. कोई भी नंबर इस तरीके से लिखा हुआ है, और ऐसे ही द सेम क्वेश्चन वाज आस्क्ड बाय यूपीएससी. इफ अ नंबर इज रिटन इन दिस फॉर्म, अब PQR XYZ किसी फॉर्म में लिखो, this number will always be divisible by, this was the question, will always be divisible by. ऑप्शन ऐसे था 7 and 11 only, then 7 and 13 only, then 11 and 13 only, then option D 7, 11 and 13. Option D. This is the question asked in 23. ये क्वेश्चन पूछा था बेस्ड ऑन दिस ऑब्जर्वेशन. ठीक है, ये मिल रहा है आइडिया इसका? ठीक है. Then we can have another forms. If a number is written in this form, AB, AB. ठीक है. ABC, ABC वाले में क्या करा था हमने? Take any number. Like we have taken 285, 285. This is in the form of ABC, ABC. ठीक है. We can break it down, this number को. We can write कि 285, 3 zeros plus 285. We are getting the same number. We are getting the same number. यहाँ पे we can take common 285. If we take 285 common, bracket में we are going to get 1000 plus 1. 285 into 1000. We can take any number. Like if I take 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We can write 1 2 3 0 0 0 plus 1 2 3. We can take 1 2 3 common, bracket में 1000 plus 1. 1 2 3 into 1001. This 1001 will come for each number which is written in this form ABC ABC. That is why we are saying if a number is written in this form ABC ABC, this will always be divisible by 1001. And the factors of 1001, that is 7 11 13. Then we can check for this AB AB. आप लोग बताओ. We can take any example, any number we can take, like 1 2 1 2. इसको we can write 12 0 0 100 1200 plus 12. Same number. We can take 12 common, 100 plus 1. That means 12 into 101. है ना? That means this is for AB AB form. That means this number which is in AB AB form will always be divisible by 101. And the factors of 101, what are the factors of 101? 101 is a prime number. We don't have any factors of it, so we can say this 101. So this year they can ask question, a number is written in this form, this number is divisible, this number is always divisible by option A B C D, उसमें से एक होगा 101. We can mark it. Correct. Then we can have third form. ये लिखते जा रहे हो सब लोग? हाँ, बढ़ता जाएगा. Yes. 999 and 999. If I take 999, 999, this is also ABC ABC form, where A is equal to B is equal to C. If we apply this 7 11 13 का divisibility rule, then also we are going to get, और ऐसे भी we are going to get, same thing we are going to get. यहाँ पे देखो what difference we are getting? 0. That means this is divisible by 7 11 and 13, है ना? वैसे भी we can take this form also. अगर ये form लेते हैं तो we can write this 9 9 9 1 2 3 plus 999 into bracket में 1000. This is special case where A is equal to B is equal to C. All the three digits are same. We can take third form, AB, AB, AB. If in this form a number is written, then we can take one example. यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? 1 2 1 2 3 4 plus this way we can write. ठीक है? We can take 12 common. ये कितना आ गया? 1 2 3 4 1 0 0 plus 1. What we are getting here? 12 into 1 0 1 0. यही आ रहा है. That means this is form AB AB AB, है ना? That means this number will always be divisible by 1 0 1 0 1, or the factors of it. What are the factors of it? 3 हो जाएगा? नहीं, 3 7 13 37, 11 नहीं होगा इसमें. तो ऐसे भी they can ask question, if a number is written in this form, ab ab ab, this number will always be divisible by, or they can write this, or they can write 3 7 13 37. इस तरीके से they can ask questions. ठीक है, सबने लिख लिया? समझ में आ रहा है थोड़ा थोड़ा? If I write a number this way, 3 8 2 P 8 Q, this number is divisible by 7 11 and 13. What is the value of P plus Q? Simple है. If a number is divisible by 7 11 and 13, that means that number must be in the form of ABC ABC. तो यहां पे P की वैल्यू 3, Q की वैल्यू 2. क्या हो जाएगा P plus Q? 3 plus 2 5. ठीक है. If I write one problem this way, ABC into D is equal to ABC ABC, where ABC and ED are digits. What will be the value of D and E? है ना, सिंपल है क्वेश्चन. एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन. When we get this ABC form, if we multiply by 1001, हमने देखा था अभी ब्रेक करके कि that ABC into 1001, तो this value must be 1001. और इसको इस तरीके से भी लिख सकते हैं कि if any 3-digit number ABC is multiplied by 1001, will get ABC as a resultant number. ठीक है, तो यहां पे D की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी? 1 एंड E की वैल्यू 0. ठीक है. Now we can see how we can calculate remainders. If I write if I divide this number by 7, what will be the remainder? This is of ABC form. If we take 3 digits तब भी डिफरेंस 0 आ रहा है, मतलब 7 से तो डिविजिबल होगा, दैट मीन्स रिमाइंडर इज 0. If I write 9, if I divide this number by 7, what will be the remainder? इस 6 से तो वी आर गोइंग टू गेट रिमाइंडर 0. जब ऐसे डिवाइड करेंगे तो ये 9 9 ऐसे आता जाएगा, ये सारे 6 9 जब आएंगे तो वहां पे रिमाइंडर आखिर में 0. विल टेक दिस 9, फिर 7 1 7, रिमाइंडर आ गया 2. सिंपल डिवीजन ऐसे ही करते हैं, एक एक करके नीचे लेके आएंगे. 7 यहाँ पे 2 आएगा, फिर 29, दिस वे अगेन 9 दिस वे. जब ये 6 9s से डिवाइड करा, विल गेट रिमाइंडर 0. आफ्टर देन वी आर गोइंग टू टेक दिस 9, रिमाइंडर इज 0. सो बेसिकली अगर ऐसा क्वेश्चन है उसमें 6 9 को वी कैन कैंसिल आउट कि चलो ये 6 9 से वी आर गोइंग टू गेट रिमाइंडर एज 0. इस रिमेनिंग 9 से वी आर गोइंग टू गेट सम रिमाइंडर. 9 को वी कैन डिवाइड बाई 7, विल गेट रिमाइंडर 2. मिल जाएगा ऐसे. If we divide by 7, then what will be the remainder? 6 6. We are left with 9. 9 को we can divide by 7, remainder will be 2. ठीक है. Now if I write 9 9 9, 99 times. If I divide by 7, what will be the remainder? Same concept we are going to apply. ABC ABC ABC, एक और ABC लगाओ, then it will be divisible by 7 11 13. यहां पे how we can check what we did here? How many 9s were there? यहां पे 13. बेसिकली क्या करा था? 13 में we tried कि how many times these 6 9s are coming. कितनी बार आया? 2 times these 6 9s were coming. रिमाइंडर क्या आया हमारा? 1. That means 1 extra 9 we are getting. 1 extra 9. यहां पे वही कर रहे थे ना, पहला 6 9, सेकेंड 6 9. टोटल लाइन्स यहां पे कितने हैं? 13. 13 में कितने 6 9s के पेयर वी कैन मेक? 2 पेयर्स 6 9s के. वी आर लेफ्ट विथ ओनली 1 रिमेनिंग 9. द सेम थिंग वी कैन सी हियर. 6 9 6 9 6 9 ऐसे कैंसिल आउट करते हुए चलेंगे तो 6 की टेबल में 99 के आसपास व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग? 96. दैट मीन्स 96 9s we can remove, we can discard. We are left with how many 9s? 3 9s. 3 9s को we can divide by 7. What remainder we are getting? 5. 5 हो गया आंसर हमारा. ये समझ में आया? फिर से करते हैं इसको. If I write 9 50 times, divide by 7, what will be the remainder? हमने पहला छोटा एग्जाम्पल लिया था जिसमें 7 9s, then 13 9s. So we can see here how many 9s are there in this number? 59। तो 59 में हाउ मेनी टाइम्स दीज 6 9s आर कमिंग? 6 मैं लिख रहा हूं किस लिए? क्योंकि 6 का एक पेयर होता है ए बी सी लिखते हैं, 6 डिजिट्स आर देयर। तो यहां पे व्हाट कोशेंट वी आर गेटिंग? 8। दैट मीन्स 8 टाइम्स these 6 9s are written। 1, यहां पे 6 9s are there, कैंसिल आउट करा। फिर यहां पे भी 6 9s are there। दिस वे 8 टाइम्स वी हैव डिस्कार्डेड these 9s। बचा कितना रिमेनिंग? रिमाइंडर क्या आ रहा है? आई मीन इन दिस केस यहां पे रिमाइंडर 2 आ रहा है। दैट मीन्स 2 एक्स्ट्रा 9s वी आर लेफ्ट विथ। 2 एक्स्ट्रा 9s, 2 एक्स्ट्रा 9s को वी कैन डिवाइड बाई 7। व्हाट रिमाइंडर वी आर गेटिंग? 1। ठीक है, रिमाइंडर आ गया 1। और ऐसे क्वेश्चंस यूपीएससी हैज स्टार्टेड आस्किंग। लास्ट ईयर, लास्ट टू लास्ट ईयर तो नहीं पूछा था, लास्ट ईयर आई गेस पूछा था। व्हाट इफ वी टेक 8? जैसे इफ वी राइट 8 8 if we divide by 13, what will be the remainder here? So we can see 6 8s, say we are going to get remainder 0। ये जो 8 बचेगा उसी से some remainder we are going to get। 8 को we can divide by 13। what remainder we are getting? 8। 8 is our answer। 8 is our answer। इसी को अगर 11 से मैं डिवाइड करूं, सेम नंबर, if I divide by 11 then also remainder is 8। if I write 8 8 8 49 times and divide by 13, so we'll see ki how many times these 6 8s are coming here। 6 की टेबल में देखेंगे, 6 into 8 we are getting 48। so 48 times जो 8s आ रहे हैं उसको हम ऐसे क्रॉस कर सकते हैं। रिमाइंडर विल बी कमिंग विथ लास्ट 8। लास्ट 8 को if we divide by 13, what remainder we are going to get? 8। ऐसे कुछ भी क्वेश्चन आएगा निकल जाएगा, है ना। इसमें अगर कुछ प्रॉब्लम आ रही है कहीं पे, हाउ वी आर कैंसिलिंग आउट दीज 6 8s, दीज 6 9s, पूछ लेना है कि कैसे हो रहा है, याद नहीं करना है कुछ इसमें, ठीक है। सॉरी, हायर टेबल किस? 6 का ही यूज करो, ठीक है। If I write a question this way, अच्छा, this is a previous year question, let me check। कहाँ गायब हो गया? 6, हाँ this one. A number n is formed by writing 9 for 99 times. Same type of question. 9 is written 99 times. We are dividing this number by 13. So we'll try to see कि how many 6 9s का pair we can make. Total 99 times 9 has come. इसको अगर 6 से divide करा तो ये पता चलेगा कि how many times these 6 pairs have come. 16 times. तो बचेंगे कितने 9? 3 9. So we can simply write these 3 9s and divide by 30. क्या आ जाएगा रिमाइंडर? 11. रिमाइंडर इज 11. रिमाइंडर इज 11. 9 9 ये कितना? अच्छा ये प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन है. 999 by 7. 7 से डिवाइड करो, सी व्हाट रिमाइंडर वी आर गेटिंग. तो रिमाइंडर तो 5 ही आएगा वहां पे. प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, तो इस तरीके से बनेगा क्वेश्चन. Write down this question. If A is a natural number, if A is a natural number, then 7A square plus 7A square plus 7A is always divisible by 7 only. 7 and 14. 21 only. And 14 only. Seven only. Seven only. So first we need to understand what are natural numbers. What are natural numbers? Which start from 1, 2, 3. With the help of, we can count natural things. Like how many dinosaurs are there? Dinosaur तो natural है नहीं अभी. They are not naturally present. Zero तभी है वो. So 1 say it starts. 1, 2, 3 this way. And A is a natural number. So A can take value 1, 2, 3, 4 this way. है ना? So this number is 7A square plus 7A. अब यहाँ तो 7 we can take common और 7A we can take common, है ना? A square plus A. So we can simply say कि 7 से तो it is divisible always, but we need to check for, like if we write a is equal to 1, what number we are going to get? 7 into 1 plus 1, 2, that means 14. That means 14 is the first such number. 14 is the first such number. Second number can be, if a की value I put 2, क्या हो जाएगा? 2 into 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 7 into 6. Then a की value if I put 3, क्या हो जाएगा? 9 plus 3, 12. So this way we are going to get number, and this way we can see कि here 7 into 2, 6 maybe 2 is there, this 12 maybe 2 is there. Everywhere we are going to get even numbers. That means 7 into 2, ये तो सारे numbers में होगा ही होगा. That means we can say it is divisible by 7 also and 14 also. 7 and 14. Sorry, 6. If we take a की value 6, तब क्या हो जाएगा? 7, 6 का स्क्वायर 36 प्लस 6, क्या आ गया? 42. 21 ओनली लिखा हुआ है ना, दैट इज वाई इट इज इनकरेक्ट. 21 ओनली, इसीलिए तो ये सेट हुआ है ऐसे. When it is written only, that means it is divisible by 21 only. किसी और नंबर से it will not be divisible, है ना. ऊपर क्वेश्चन में लिखा है कि it is always divisible by, सिर्फ 21 होता तब फिर सोच सकते थे, लेकिन always divisible by लिखा हुआ है. वैसे भी always divisibility को फॉलो नहीं कर रहा है. If we take the first number, it is 14. Is 14 divisible by 21? No. अगर होता can be divisible by, then we can say कि yes, 21 से can be divisible. ठीक है, तो अभी हम लोग कितना क्वेश्चन और करेंगे? बस, चलो ठीक है फिर. प्रैक्टिस के लिए है नहीं अपलोडेड, ये कर दीजिए अपलोड, सारा ही अपलोड कर दीजिए. हाँ, सारा ही कर दीजिए. ठीक है, थैंक यू.